Hola amigos y amigas, I am Layla, also known as Miss Bohemia, living through a very long wash day being done very late in the day. So I want to jump straight into it. My hair has been washed and masked and deep conditioned, and I have my leave-in and my oil in. So now I'm ready for my cream. And of course, I'm hopping in with my favorite brand in the world and the universe forever and ever. Not even death will do us part. Soultanicals. And in particular, I can't believe it's not pumpkin. I never thought I would ever use anything pumpkin, but if Soultanicals makes it, I'm gonna have to get it. So I did. This came in the CEO birthday box, and I have a video as to the contents of that box, and you can view that here. I use the LOC method when I moisturize my hair. L stands for liquid or leave-in, O stands for oil, C stands for cream. And so I've applied my liquid, I've applied my leave-in, I've applied my oil, both by Soultanicals. And today we're going in with this as a cream. The last moisturizing layer to seal everything in, and I'm dying to know what it smells like. But first, so this is what it looks like. It's not super full. Why are you not super full? It's a way more liquid consistency than I imagined it to be. It's not a bad scent. It's not my favorite scent. Is it like a pumpkin? I mean, like right now I don't know what a pumpkin smells like because I've only had it in pie. I don't remember like being next to a raw pumpkin. It's not bad. You don't sniff it. It's not a permeating scent. The only reason I can smell it is because I'm like stuffing it into my nose. It's not my favorite scent. But I mean, it's pumpkin. Normally I don't do pumpkin stuff. I'm gonna flip over. Okay, so it felt incredible in the hands. It was more liquid than I thought a cream butter type product would be. Kind of has more of the consistency of a leave-in, but hey, it works for me. Look at how happy my hair sounds. Glides on really easily. I mean, a little goes a long way. I've dipped in a few times, but that's because I don't pick up too much, and it feels really good. Like, this is the type of cream that you could actually put in a bottle and like squeeze it out of a cap or pump it, and it would work great too. I really like it. Look at the sound. This sound is like magic to my ears. Music to my ears. This sound is music to my ears. This is kind of where the beginning journey of this ends. This feels good, and I know my hair is gonna dry really well. I'm going to be testing this throughout my wash cycle. It usually lasts a week, meaning by the time I wash my hair and until I have to wash it again. I refresh my hair every day, meaning that I wet my hair and then I go in with the whole LOC method and I style and diffuse dry. So we'll see how this does throughout the week, how my hair feels, how it looks. I should have shown you guys what it looks like on wash day. See you guys in a few. And the verdict is, oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. I feel so beautiful. Can I say that? Oh, my hair. I definitely needed to pop in and show you the results of wash day before coming back and showing you what it looks like at the end of the cycle. But man, the whole concoction on my head and this one product, I am in heaven. Not so pumpkin. So delicious. So delicious. Look at my hair. Oh my god, this is a win. Get you some of this. I know the end result is gonna be fabulous, but let's just jump ahead and check her out. I'm back in my PJs. Looking busted in my bathrobe. I don't have it in me to do my makeup and dress up and set up my background and do the lights and blah blah blah, and I have to wash my hair tomorrow. Normally I could put things off by a day until like I have it in me. So like I'd be like, okay, I won't wash my hair tomorrow and I'll do the makeup and I'll do the whole production to cap up the video properly and wash my hair the day after. But I'm kind of on a deadline. So today's what day? Today's a Tuesday, and next week on Wednesday I travel to Georgia for a skate thing, and I'm gone for about a week. And so tomorrow's Wednesday. I want to take a shower Wednesday so that the next time I take a shower is the day before I travel, Tuesday. So I have to plan things like that, you know, so it's just the logistics. So that's why it's messy. I love the hair. It has some frizz because it's evening and I fell asleep on it on the couch. In the morning it looked bomb. Boom, boom, boom. But it's nice and big and bouncy, and I'm loving it, and it feels so good. It feels so soft, in spite of the fact that it looks crazy and frizzy right now. So for this particular round, we were talking about the Can't Believe It's Not Pumpkin hair butter / cream. So I use this in the C of the lock method, cream. So it's been interesting because it's very liquid. It was a little disappointing because it wasn't full to the very top. I wish it had been full to the very top. A little can go a long way because it really saturates the hair fast, given that it's really liquid. But you know what I'm curious about? I'm not crazy about the scent. Like, out of all the Soultanicals products, this is the one I can't stand. Honestly, I don't like it. The scent. at all. I guess I am not a pumpkin girl. That's why I've never really bought anything for my hair that's pumpkin. Only this one because it's Soultanicals. And it works well, but it's very liquid. So I think for me, I would actually be tempted to use this as a leave-in and then use like Marula Muru Moisture Guru or Fluffalicious Curl Nutritious as my cream in the equation. Have you guys used this? How do you use it? How does it work for you? It's very liquid. So also for this consistency, I mean, honestly, I think this works better as a leave-in and better in a bottle like this one, like the Do or Dry Bed-Stuy, Not Sauce, or even something with a pump. So that would be my main thing. It's a good product, but the designated use or the use that I gave it in this particular equation, it worked fine. No complaints. But I think I'm going to stop using this as a cream. And when I run out of my Not Sauce and Do or Dry Bed-Stuy and I need an actual leave-in, I'm going to use this as a leave-in. That's, I think, how it's going to work better for me. And my critique is fill it to the top and also put it in another bottle because it's so liquid. It's easier to pour it out than to scoop it up. Just trying to scoop it up, it falls everywhere, it drips, and so it was hard to manage. That was my experience with this one. Unless it's not normally this liquid and I somehow ended up with something that's very liquid, but I doubt it. So I would really be curious to know if any of you have this one, have tried it. What's your take? How do you use it? It's Soultanicals, so it's high quality, incredible. It's just miscategorized for me in my life and how I used it. That's it. Thank you for tuning in and putting up with my busted self. If you like this video, hit like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao for now.